What if I told you that some car brands you see every day may not exist in just 2 years? Yes, the car industry is changing fast. Today, we will talk about 13 car brands that could face serious financial problems by 2026. Welcome. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love cars, technology, and business news, you are in the right place. Some car companies are struggling because electric car development is very expensive. Competition is very strong. Supply problems are increasing. Customer needs are changing. This can affect car prices, resale value, and even jobs. Luxury and performance brands. First, let's talk about luxury and performance brands. These brands sell fewer cars, but at high prices. Brand 1, Lotus. They have loyal fans, but making electric cars costs a lot. They need money to survive. Brand 2, Aston Martin. Beautiful cars, great performance, but EV development is very costly. Without strong investors, they may struggle. EV struggles. Now, let's talk about brands that are slow in the electric car race. Brand 3, Rolls-Royce example. Luxury buyers may be slow to switch to electric cars. Brand 4, Mitsubishi. They had success before, but their EV strategy is weak. Technology changes fast, and slow companies fall behind. Strong competition. Many new EV brands are entering the market. Brand 5, Fisker. Strong competition from Tesla, and others make survival hard. Brand 6, Polestar. They need a clear brand identity to grow. Brand 7, Jaguar. They want to become fully electric, but it is risky and expensive. Reliability issues. Bad quality and recalls damage trust. Brand 8, Alfa Romeo. Beautiful cars, but reliability problems hurt sales. Brand 9, Lucid. Even small issues can cause big losses. In today's world, bad news spreads fast on social media. Slow strategy. Some brands are too slow to change. Brand 10, Maserati. They need faster EV plans. Brand 11, VinFast. Big dreams, but global success is risky. Brand 12, Genesis. They must stand out in the luxury EV market. Brand 13, Rivian. Strong start, but profit and competition are big challenges. Conclusion. These 13 brands are facing serious challenges. Some may survive, others may not. For buyers, this could mean cheaper deals, fewer car brands, more electric cars. Engagement. Which brand surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments. If you liked this video, hit the like button. Subscribe for more car news and future tech updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.